The best online stores don't feel like stores anymore. IKEA lets you try your furniture in your home with AR. Nike lets you design your shoes in 3D. And Zara has a virtual styling app that lets you try on your clothes using AI. Static product pages don't convert like they used to. Users are looking for more personalized experiences when they shop online. So today I'm going to show you how you can build this kind of experience without a dev team or a massive budget, just by using Hostinger Horizons. Let's start out with the basics. Setting up your online store with Horizons. Go into your H panel and add a new Horizons website from the website's menu. If you don't have a Hostinger plan set up yet, make sure to grab the discount code in the description box below for 10% off any plan to help you get started. Once you've gone through the setup flow and selected your domain name, it's time to open up your first chat. Before you start, it's always a good idea to have a plan for how your website is going to work. If you already have an e-commerce site and you're moving it to Horizons, take screenshots of what you have to use it as references in the chat. If you have a mood board for your new update, you can also upload those images to the chat and say you want to use them as inspiration. Examples and details help Horizons create a website that matches the vibe you're looking for. And after you submit that first prompt, the AI will ask a few clarifying questions before generating the first version of your website. There are two ways you can add an online shop to your newly generated website. You can either prompt the Hostinger Horizons chat and describe what kind of products you're going to sell, or just open the integrations menu and select Online Store. The AI will add a product page to your site already pre-filled with a few generic products so you can see what it looks like. If you've ever used Hostinger's website builder to create an online store, this page will look pretty familiar to you. Now you can manage your Horizons shop in pretty much the same way, using the Store Manager option in the integrations menu. From your online store, you can sell both physical and digital products, as well as services, print on demand, and appointments. So if you're selling handmade jewelry and you want to throw in a free digital care guide, or you're offering an online course with the option of buying a physical workbook, you can do it all from one place. For physical goods, it's easy to add shipping integrations through Shippo or your own chosen carrier and manage your inventory through the Store Manager. When you add digital downloads, you can get an even more hands-off approach. As soon as someone makes a purchase, Hostinger Horizons automatically sends the file link to their inbox. All you have to do is upload the files to your Store Manager. No matter what kind of products you're adding, you will always get over 100 payment methods through Stripe, PayPal, and Razorpay with 0 transaction fees and multilingual support in over 80 languages. Basically, everything you need to keep your store running smoothly is available right from the Store Manager. You can add products, manage customers, and even add discounts from the menu, so you can stick to spending your AI credits where they count. So, now that we've covered the basics, let me show you how you can upgrade your store to make it a web app that even major brands will recognize. The key to any well-coded project is to be very specific about what you want to create. We mentioned this in our previous video, but you want to be as detailed as you can with your prompt. Once again, I'm going to recommend chatting with another AI like Claude or ChatGPT to refine your ideas and do some research online. Take a look at online stores similar to yours and see what kind of interactive experiences they built for their own brands and what might work for yours. Now ask yourself, what might help your customers make a decision or get them excited about your product? For example, if you have a jewelry brand, you could add a gift guide quiz that helps users find the right gift based on style, occasion, and price point. You could even create a web app that complements your product, like adding a styling tool that allows users to mix, match, and style your jewelry pieces before they purchase. Of course, you can always add a function to save their styles using Horizons' new back-end features. Now, once you have a good idea, start mapping out everything you need to make the web app or interactive feature work. Again, it's a good idea to use an AI chat to help brainstorm here, since you can use research modes to make sure you're not missing anything. You can also prompt the Horizons chat directly, and our AI will ask some clarifying questions before it starts building. And don't forget to have fun while building your dream online store. A web app is a great way to create some excitement about your brand. If you're ever unhappy with the outcome, you can just restore the version of your website that worked best. Now, there are 3 final things you can do to really take your new online store to the next level. First, add user accounts and personalization. This unlocks many of the same features that the big e-commerce websites use, like wish lists, saved carts, order history, and even personalized recommendations. To enable customer accounts, you can just prompt in Horizons, and our AI will guide you through the steps to add customer logins with our new integrated back-end features. Next, make it mobile-friendly. Nowadays, most online shopping happens on phones, so when you're vibe coding all these cool new interactive experiences, make sure you're double-checking that they work on mobile. You can toggle mobile view from the top right-hand corner of the Hostinger Horizons editing page, but make sure to try out your website on your phone as well. What seems obvious on desktop doesn't always translate to mobile, so it's important to make sure everything is working the way you want it to. And finally, create limited time experiences. This is the final layer of turning your online store into a branded experience. Urgency can often drive purchases, especially for online stores where users can abandon their carts just by turning off their phones. Adding simple elements like a countdown timer can subtly encourage shoppers to jump on sales while they have a chance. And adding them is as simple as a quick prompt in Horizon. The gap between a small online business and major brand experiences is closing fast thanks to the vibe coding tools like Hostinger Horizons. Now you can upgrade your online store to a shopping app that feels premium without having to blow your entire budget or hire a developer team. Now, if you want to check out how to use Hostinger Horizons to set up a print-on-demand store, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. That tutorial is coming up next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.